Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. Everybody, now start with me from this one. Mini airplane, green color, mini airplane, green color. The next one. Racing car number 9. Racing car number 9. The next one. How about this one, everybody? This is a green racing car. A nice car. My favorite car. Now check the next one. Mini airplane. Mini airplane, everybody. Mini airplane. A nice airplane. How about this one? Red Police Super Motorbike. Red Police Super Motorbike. Okay. Forklift. The next. Tank truck. Mobil Tanki. Indonesian language. Mobil Tanki. Now check the next one, everybody. How about this one? A nice excavator, a cute excavator, mini excavator. Super cool excavator. Cute color. Very nice. How about this one? Police car, yellow color. Police car, yellow color. The next one. Shake it. Red car. This is a kind of off-road car. Nice. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. Okay, now check. Excavator, mini excavator. The next one. How about this one? Bulldozer, mini bulldozer. The next one. Iron Man, red Iron Man, Hero Iron Man. Hero, red Iron Man. Yellow supercar. Very nice supercar. How about this one? Red car number 3. The next one. How about this one? Monster truck, mini monster truck. Now check the next. Express bus, yellow express bus. Okay, now check the next. Die-cast car, green color. Okay, check the next one. Cute car. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck to check other cars, other vehicle. Okay, now start. Shoot Mobil Tanki, or shoot tank truck. Okay, next one. How about this one? Mini airplane, yellow color. Okay, the next. Bulldozer. Everybody, bulldozer. Shoot racing car number 9. How about this one? Green supercar, my favorite supercar, everybody. Now check the next one. How about this one? My favorite super motorbike, my favorite color. Racing Super Motorbike number 6. Okay, the next one, Express Bus, Red Bus. Everybody, if you love this video, if you like my video, please write down, like, and especially click a subscribe button. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. See you next time.